everyone, this is my presentation on my favorite act as if principle from the reading this week, and the principle that I really wanted to focus on today was what we read about in Successful Principles number 12, that reading that we read. The principle that I loved, it stuck out to me so much, was that acting as if sends powerful commands to our subconscious mind to find creative ways to achieve our goals. The reason I love this quote so much was because as I read it, I reflected back on times when I was trying to accomplish a goal, and I noticed that when I found roadblocks in accomplishing that goal, my mind would come up with ideas that they're weird, they're creative, but they worked and they got me past that roadblock. So I know that this principle is true, and I know that it's both our minds, but also I believe that God, when He wants to help us, he definitely gives us those ideas as to how we can overcome the roadblocks that we face. So there are principles, though, that we need to follow in order to receive these powerful commands. And so I wanted to go over those today. So the first principle that I wanted to go over was creating a clear vision for our goals. We can't have a vague idea of what our goal is. We need to have a clear idea of what we want to accomplish. If we don't have a clear idea, it's going to be really hard to create plans that we can follow. So something that I would recommend is getting a piece of paper and writing down what you want to accomplish and then working out what that specific goal is. Once you create that specific goal, we need to create specific plans as to how we'll achieve those goals. They need to be realistic. They need to be things that actually get us to our goal and that we'll actually do. And once we do that, we can take those plans and kind of reflect on what kind of person that we need to become in order to achieve those goals and follow through with those plans. An example of this for me might be I want to buy a car. But if I want to buy a car, I need to get a second job and work extra hours to earn the money to buy the car. As I reflect on these plans of working extra hours and working a second job, I realize that I need to be someone who works hard, who isn't lazy, and who is willing to work even when they're tired and they have a lot of things on their plate. So as we recognize these three things, that's when we start to get those ideas as to how we can overcome the roadblocks we'll face as we work towards our goals. So that was my favorite thing for this week. Thanks, guys.